Hello friends. Do you want to work professionally with PHP and MySQL and become a developer who can build functional and dynamic projects? The PHP with MySQL, Build 7 PHP and MySQL Projects course is designed for you. This course will help you gain a deep understanding of PHP and MySQL and use them to build 7 real and useful projects that will give you practical experience in web development. The actual price of this course is around $30. But with our special discount, get this course for free. Special discount for a limited time. So don't miss the opportunity. To register and start learning, go to skilldiscounts.com now and start the course at a special discount. And get the course for free. Note that there are 4 days left of the discount coupon. By the way, the discount coupon is automatically applied here. Your path to success begins with skilldiscounts.com. Start today. If you are interested in using other free and legal Udemy courses, you can check out other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site, even go to different categories, or go to the all free online courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.